Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, then let me tell you, we make videos on DIY projects, art and crafts and home decor items. So please subscribe our channel for more videos. In today's video, we will be making coasters with old CDs. First, I will use jute rope for making this coaster. For second coaster, first apply a base color. Here I use Fevicryl acrylic colors. Then using fingers, apply different colors and mixing it. Apply this technique, it is very easy and also you enjoy this. After drying at least 1 hour, using a small round brush, draw a simple flower. Then write whatever you like. For writing, I will use a gel pen. For third one, using a flat brush, apply different colors and making a beautiful background. Then draw a simple scenery. And for the last one, apply yellow for base color. Then draw different flowers in different sizes with different colors. And here it is ready. You can use it as coasters and as your wall decoration also.